Hello friends, my name is Kishan. I am from RoboFunLab Porbandar. My project name is anti-theft alarm using 3 sensors. In this model, I have used one EV3 brick, one ultrasonic sensor, one touch sensor and one color sensor. If the robot will detect theft, it will play sound. In this, the use of ultrasonic sensor is the precious thing at a 3.6 cm or not. The use of color sensor is to detect the color. The use of touch sensor is the touch sensor initial position is pressed. If the precious thing is not at 3.6 cm, it will play sound. If the touch sensor is not pressed, it will play sound. If the color sensor will not detect the color, it will play sound. These three sensors will work parallel. So let's see how it works. The precious thing is at its correct position, so it will not play sound. There is no precious thing, that is why it is playing sound. Thank you.